Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on and that your iPhone and Apple TV use the same network. Once done, add the Apple TV remote to Control Center so it's always available. Open Control Center, tap the remote icon, then choose your Apple TV from the list. When the on-screen code appears, enter it on the iPhone. This pairs the devices. This step uses your local network for low latency control and secure pairing, so pairing now speeds every interaction. Now you'll learn how to operate the remote efficiently. Swipe left, right, up, or down on the touch surface to navigate. Tap to select items and swipe down for quick options. When a text field appears, the iPhone keyboard pops up automatically. Type to enter passwords or search terms faster than the on-screen keyboard on TV. Press and hold the home control to return to the app screen, and press the Siri button for voice commands. These gestures reduce time and improve accuracy, while you control playback and apps. Complete setup by customizing Control Center so the remote is easy to access. Then test basic controls like play/pause, navigation, and volume behavior. Make sure the iPhone keyboard appears where needed and that Siri responds to voice commands. This confirms smooth operation. If something goes wrong, here's a key troubleshooting tip. Restart both the iPhone and the Apple TV, confirm they are on the same Wi-Fi and Apple ID, and install any pending iOS or tvOS updates. Often that alone fixes discovery and pairing issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.